gold tape around his body. It's a fucking homicide. His face is on a t-shirt and his family's traumatized. I didn't even mean to shoot him.
Dude, oh my god. It's a gold triple two. Yep, that guy's gone.
God damn, man. What the hell was that? Damn, man. Good shit. How did they... I mean, I guess they saw me throw them. I know I shouldn't have thrown them, to be fair. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, dude. That guy is dead. Oh my god. Oh, where's my mouse? There we go. Man, that stuff really screwed me up at the start. That I was like going out of the bus diving and it just stops me. What is that? That's a horrendous bug. Oh no.
Rats, dude, you just hid. I hate people like that. Fucking missed.